Good morning, all. Today we are going to learn a typecasting. What is a typecasting? A typecast is basically a conversion from one type to another. There are two types of convergence: implicit type and explicit type. For example, suppose we consider 5 plus 5.16. It will become a 10.16. This, whenever the data types are mixed in an expression, C++ performs the convergence automatically. This is known as implicit conversion. It is done by the compiler only. Without any external trigger from a user. It also called as a automatic conversion. Generally, it takes place when in an expression more than one type is present. In such a condition, type conversion takes place to avoid loss of data. All types of variables are upgraded to the data type of a variable with the largest data type. For example, suppose here integer num1 equal to 200 and num2 is a float, then num2 equal to num1, then num1 has been converted to from integer to floats. To understand more, all the data types of the variables are upgraded to the data type of variable with the largest data type. If it is a short and character, then it will be upgraded into the integer. It will upgrade to the unsigned int, then long int. After that, unsigned long int. The unsigned long int will upgrade it to the float. The float will be upgraded to the double, and double will be upgraded to the long double. It is possible for the implicit convergence to lose information. Signs can be lost when there is a signed is implicitly converted to the unsigned. And overflow can occur when the long is implicitly converted to float. If there is addition of two long will be converted into the float, at that time it will be overflow can occur. To understand this, we will see one program in this hash include string include a header file. Then for a type information, it is used to get a type name. I will comment over here. Using space. In the main program, I'm assigning integer p is equal to 2 and float q equal to 3.14, or we can take as a this is value like pi. Now I'm displaying the value of p. Another name for insertion operator is put to. This is the oral question. Addition of p or q. It will be I'm giving a name, giving a title to this program. It is save, and to run this program, I'm going to compile to check the errors. There is no error. Errors are 0. Warning is 0. Then to run it, see, this is showing the value of p is 2, value of q is 3.14, and the addition is 5.14. This is done by the compiler automatically. What compiler did, when the compiler encounters an expression, it divides the expression into sub-expression consisting of one operator, that is this addition operator, uh, consisting of one operator and one or two operands. For a binary operator, if the operands type differ, the compiler converts one of them to match with the other using the rule that the smaller type is converted to the wider type. Here, the operand is an integer and the other operand is float. The integer is converted into the float because float is the wider than the integer. The waterfall model shows, which we saw earlier, it illustrates the rule. Let's see once again waterfall model. whenever character or a short integer appears in an expression, then it will be converted into the integer. This is called integral widening conversion. The implicit conversion is applied only after completing all the integral widening conversions. To know more, we can see this result of a mixed model operations. These are the mixed mode operations. Suppose we are taking one data type, or we can say it is a left hand operand and right hand operand, which is combined by using a operator. Then suppose it is a integer and float, then it will convert into the float, just we saw in the program. If it is a long and integer, then it will convert into the long. Suppose it is a float and right hand operand is a double, then it will convert into the double. If the left hand operand is double and right hand operand is a long, in that case it will convert into the wider, that is a double, because double is wider than the long, then it will convert into the double. And for a long double, it will, for the left hand operand is a, if uh, it is a long double and the right hand operand is a float, then it will convert into the long double. All this is about a implicit conversion. In the next lecture, we will see about a explicit conversion. Thank you. Thank you so much.